Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to redo your bar and chain after sharpening, or with a new bar, a new chain, anything like that. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to loosen your nuts off. Take those out because you won't need those for a little while. So take those off. Put them out of the way. Make sure you keep pressure on your shield, otherwise your bar has a tendency to fall off. So yeah, right, just take my bar off and chain. So there we go. Right, so you got your bar. So that goes on first. Put that on like that. Probably want to loosen your chain tension up first, so you've got a little bit, so it's a bit easier to work with. Like that. Okay. So then you're going to put your bar on. Support your bar, or you get your. Well, we'll take that off now. So when you're doing your chain, you always want to make sure that the small bit goes out first, and then you've got your cutting blade that then cuts into the wood. So that wants to go on first, like that. Okay. So then you get the bar. I like to put the chain onto the bar first, but that's just personal preference. Like that, making sure it seats properly, like so, and then simply just place. Oh, that's not going to work very well. Oh, there we go. So you got your chain on, making sure that your cutting blade goes. The bit that does the cutting goes on second, because that's the big bit. So like that, and then you're going to get your cover. Put your cover on, and then get your nuts. Put them on. Oops. Oh, you're not going on. Sorry, I think I cross-threaded that. I'll put that one on then. There we go. Right. So I've put one of my nuts on. So obviously that's really loose at the moment, and that is because we've not we're going to leave the nuts quite loose at the moment, just for the moment while we that bar's not sitting right. Hang on. Let's just have another look. Oh yeah, with your chain tensioner, which is that little bit under there, you always want to make sure that your bar goes on properly, like that, so it sits nicely up against the back of the main body of the saw. Then you're just going to get that like that, put your bolts on, nuts on, leaving them loose. Leave them nice and loose, like finger tight. So then when you come to tighten your chain up, the bar can move. Okay, so one's still a bit tight, so leave them like that, okay, so they can move. Then you're going to flip the saw over, like that. Do it that way so you can see. And then you're just going to use your little screw there to tighten the chain up, like so. You want to get it so your chain tension is quite tight, so it still moves freely, but so it's like that, so it sort of snaps back into place. And as you can see, it still moves freely on the bar. And then we're just going to flip it back round, and we're simply going to tighten the nuts back up. Shout out to Bella Jones, she asked me to do that. I don't know why, but that's what she asked me to do. So there you go. So that is now ready to go. So what I'll do is I'll just do a quick start up, just for the sake of it, because I do like to do this anyway. So you're going to put full choke on, push your throttle in a bit to push it right down, okay, and then there you go, and it fires. Thank you for watching. See you soon.